Right, box water test. Don't know if this will come out where you can see all three of them at once, but water temperature 22.1. Air temperature outside 27.4. Temperature for the water coming out of the box 46 and climbing. It's been like that for 3-4 hours now. We can get a clear view of all three. See if we've got a zoom. No. But you can clearly see outside temperature 27.8. Water temperature still climbing now 47.1. That's quite an increase. That's free hot water. See you soon.